Hello again and welcome to X5 of Spades Box Breaks. This is box 4 of 1112 Panini Titanium. Here's a list of all the buyers and their teams from the randomized video. Came previous. Okay, again it's 5 packs, 4 cards a pack. Everybody good luck. Empty box. Empty box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. Do that pack last this time. This pack. Alright, here we go, guys. Everybody good luck. Tyler Seguin base. Michael Camilleri base. We got a hit for the Anaheim Ducks. Jeff De La Riere, maybe? De La Riere. Anyways, it's a jersey card. Game worn gear. And base of Cam Ward. Don't know much about him. Base, Thomas Vokoun. Uh-oh, here we are. We've got a... What? We gotta skip to this last space card. Henrik Zetterberg. Alright, here we go. We've got a rookie, Jonathan Blum, numbered 6 of 23. That may be a case hit. I'm not 100% sure on that. First rookie out of 4 boxes, so it might be. Don't know why it's numbered to 23. He wears number 7. But anyways, numbered out of 23. Awesome hit for the Preds. And we have a hit for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jamie McBain. That's a cool looking card. 82 of 100. Autographed jersey. It's pretty sweet. It's a very good pack right there. Don't think I've seen a pack quite that good yet. A jersey dual jersey and an auto and a rookie in the same pack. Well, that could either sell really good for the rest of the box, or, well, you never know. Dustin Byfuglien base. Got a base parallel for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf, numbered out of 99. We have a... No, it's a 2 teams, so this we're going to have to make another video for this. It's going to be a dual randomization. Chris Neil and Derek Dorsett. So Ottawa and Columbus. It's numbered out of 300. Actually, there will be no other video because the winner has both teams. So, New Fien AAV, you have both teams. So we're not going to do. We don't need to do the second video. So you get the card, and then a base of Patrick Sharp. This has been a pretty good box, guys. This might be a hot box. I don't know if this is considered a hot box. Base Carey Price, base Matt Moulson. Got a hit for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Chris Letang, jersey card not numbered. And base Patrick Marleau. Okay, here's our thick pack. Base Marian Hossa, base Jordan Eberle, Oh. We got a private signings for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. It's not numbered. It's a beautiful card. Super fat dummy card and a base of Marc-Andre Fleury. Alright, so going back through the hits real quick. Karlsson, Ottawa. Letang, Pittsburgh. Who's this again? Chris Neil and Dorset. Columbus and Ottawa. Dual jersey out of 300. Dion out of 99 for Toronto. McBain out of 100. Dual jersey autograph for the Hurricanes. Rookie for the Predators, Jonathan Blum out of 23. And I'm not even going to try to say his name again. But the goalie for the Ducks, jersey card, game worn gear. Alright. Thanks again, everyone, for your purchase. There will be a 5th box online for sale. So, thanks again for everyone bought, and have a good day.